Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maryann Okonkwo. If this is your first time of seeing my face, you're definitely welcome onto my channel. Today's video is a review video. Just before we get started or anything, I want to let you guys know that I would officially be starting a YouTube channel dedicated to my hair business and my hair journey. If you're interested in starting a hair business, you want to know how to braid hair, all those kind of things, anything relating to hair is going to be on that channel. So you should definitely subscribe to that channel. I'm going to leave a link down below. You can also click the card up here to go subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I would appreciate that. And before we get started, I just want to introduce my business to you guys. As you guys already know, I sell lashes. I have 4 styles currently, and they are all 25 mm high quality lashes. So if you're interested in purchasing any, you can definitely shop on our website, May Beauty Pro, or click the card up here to go, make a purchase. And we ship worldwide. Because of the whole COVID, we can't ship to certain areas, but once the COVID-19 goes away, by the grace of God, we will be back to shipping worldwide. But for the most part of the US, we're shipping to you. Definitely take advantage of that. And if you are my subscriber, you can definitely get 10% off your purchase, your lash purchase, by using the code MBPBABE10 for 10% off your purchase, your first purchase on our website. So take advantage of that and shop our products. We also sell lip glosses and hydrating lip glosses. We have 4 shades, and I'm going to try to put a screenshot of all the 4 shades here so you can go see it. We also have them available in squeeze tubes, and I'm just going to very quickly swatch this because we're doing a skincare video, so why not? And as you can see, this is like a nude shade, and that's how it's gonna look. So with that said, let's get into today's video. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel and you're still watching this video, definitely hit that subscribe button, okay? You've got nothing to lose. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, both channels. So today I'm going to be reviewing a moisturizer, and it's none other than the Nuetrogena Hydroboost water gel. Hydroboost. So this is the trial size, because I think the big size is about $18 or 20 something dollars. So I just felt for something that I wasn't so sure about, why invest that amount of money? So luckily they had like trial sizes that you could try, and that is one thing I really love about America. Like in Lagos, you don't, like, you either buy it or you don't buy it. But here, even when you buy it and you don't like it, it doesn't work for you, or it's not your shade, you can actually return it and they will replace it without anybody cursing you or insulting you. So that's a big deal for me. If you open it, this is how it comes. It comes in a the front part is a see-through like this, and it has Neutrogena written like their normal logo, and it has trial size written on it. Also it says Hydro Boost, boost hydration for smooth supple skin all day. That's something I like. And at the back it just has like a bunch of instructions and tells you more about the key ingredients, which is hyaluronic acid. So it instantly quenches dry skin and keeps it looking smooth, supple, and hydrated day after day. This unique water gel formulated with purified hyaluronic acid boosts skin hydration level and locks it in all day. So suitable for all skin types, oil-free, alcohol-free, non-comedogenic. At the other side, if you flip the other way, you're going to see all their key ingredients, which you should definitely check out if you have any major allergies. So you should definitely, I always recommend, like when you buy things for your skin, you want to also make sure that you're not allergic, or it's not going to irritate your skin or anything. So this is the bottle it comes in. This is the trial size, and as you can see, it's this small. Yeah, it's really small. It's like, all those containers where people sell like whitening face cream in Lagos. So that's the size, maybe even slightly bigger. And yeah, I really like the color. The only thing though, I know that maybe I was discussing with my friend Runke, and we're talking about how a certain brand would have same container for all their products. For example, CeraVe or Cetaphil, both of them, all their face wash, lotion, everything, they come in one pump. And the other time I wanted to buy a face cream, and I ended up buying a facial cleanser because they all looked alike. So it's always key for brands, like when if you're doing like a bunch of collection or what's not, try to use like different plastics or different containers. They don't all have to be pumps, they don't all have to be in bottles, they don't all have to be here. So it's easier for people to just, once you go to the store or you're in a hurry to check out, you can just quickly go back there and grab what you want without grabbing the wrong thing. So yeah, back to our story. So once you open it, it has a blue tint. I'm going to show you guys when I'm swatching it. And it smells so good. It smells like shampoo, conditioner. It smells really good. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna swatch it. It has the blue tint to it, and it's very, very lightweight. When I say lightweight, I mean like actually lightweight. It feels like nothing. It feels like water. That's one thing. So I'm like spreading it around. And it's not sticky. It's like water, but I don't know. It's like water, but really good. And it smells good. My skin already feels like super smooth. So if you guys are not familiar with the benefits of hyaluronic acid, what it basically does is that it helps lock in moisture on your skin or wherever you apply it. It locks in moisture, and as a result your face becomes super plump and supple. It would eventually help remove and alleviate like wrinkle lines and whatnot, because your skin is gonna feel more elastic and more like very soft and smooth. So we're going to be testing it out. I was super amazed about how this stuff came out the first time I tried it, and because it's lightweight, you can definitely layer like a heavier cream on it after using it. So what I do when I go to bed is I apply this and go ahead and apply my niacinamide by the Ordinary, and they seem to work really good. My face automatically feels really smooth and glowy. So I'm going to be trying that out with you guys. So as I said, it's super lightweight. All you have to just do is just apply it on your face like regularly and just smoothing it out all over your face or wherever you want to apply it. I mean your face actually. So, and yeah, in case you're wondering about my hair, I know somebody's gonna say that my hair looks nice, but I do. In case you guys are wondering about my hair, I know that I mentioned it earlier. I now sell customized wigs, hair bundles and whatnot. I also braid hair. So if you're in the city of Minneapolis and you need to get your hair done, I'm your plug, sis. Like if you don't have bundles, I got you, okay? And I'm going to be adding some raw hair bundles to my website. So I want you guys to take note of how my skin looks like now. Okay, so what you want to basically do is just open it. It has like this smooth, silky feel to it, like, you know, it feels silky. So what you basically want to do is take whatever amount works for you and just apply it. So I'm going to apply it on one side of my face so you can tell the difference, okay? So let's start here. You can see it has a blue tint to it, but that doesn't mean that your face is going to be blue. Can you see how juicy my face already looks? I mean, you're not supposed to see like any major changes immediately, but one thing you would definitely notice is that your face becomes like really soft and silky. And you know, even though I have like bumps here and there, it still feels like really smooth. What I do, as I told you guys, is I apply it and then I go ahead and use my niacinamide over it, because you know niacinamide is also very hydrating. So I feel like combining both of them, they work really well. Please, disclaimer, I'm not a skin expert or anything. I'm just an enthusiast who is, you know, very passionate about skincare and makeup and whatnot. So I've been doing this for a while and it works for me. So if you try it and it doesn't work for you, don't come for me, okay? I'm just telling you what I do that works for me, and it's gonna like absorb into the skin, and you automatically feel your skin become like really soft. So that's one thing I really noticed. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto the other side. And yeah, another thing I want to also mention, like when you apply it, you automatically feel this cooling effect. If you're in Lagos, if you've ever used Premier Cool, it's like this soap that you use in your body, and then it feels like you're using ice or something on your body. It's really cooling, like almost like there's ice on my face. So I think it calms the skin as well. So because it's cooling, I mean, it's just perfect. Come to think about it, blue is like cooling, it's like ice. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, I don't have anything major to say. This moisturizer, it's actually a water gel. It's super amazing. So please note that there are two types. When I got there, when I was at Target, I was a bit confused. So there's one that says Hydroboost water gel, hyaluronic acid. Then there's another one that says says extra dry skin. I'm going to put a picture here. So if you have extra dry skin, you can purchase that one. But my skin is not dry skin. My skin is more of a combination skin. Sometimes it's oily, but for the most part of my years, it has always been combination. So this area is dry, and then center of my face is the oily zones. All these brands that they'll be using the same container for everything, it would have been so easy for me to have picked the wrong one. That's the one for extra dry skin and not this one. So either ways, I think they are both water gel, but one contains more hyaluronic acid than the other. But this is good. It also says for all skin types, so you don't necessarily have to buy that one. I'm going to buy that one and check out what the difference is, but I'm thinking it should be the level of hyaluronic acid or something. I mean, for them to say extra dry skin, right? The moisturizer with, so you can combine it with heavier creams if you want. So I'm going to go ahead and use my niacinamide all over my face. These two combination, the best. So you can see that with both of them, my face looks more moisturized than before, than when I applied just this. The niacinamide and the water gel might be a combination that you might want to try out if you're looking for moisture. My skin remains like this for at least 6 hours if I'm not going out, and it's really good. So when I sleep with it overnight and I wake up, my feels like really plump. So definitely check it out, and on a rate of 0 to 10, I'll give this product 8.5 because it's that good. So definitely try your hands on. I think I purchased this trial size for maybe $7.29. That's $7.29 or so, but it wasn't up to $10. And then the big size is about $18. So but with my review now, go ahead and buy the big size because this stuff is definitely worth it. So yeah, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about this, definitely let me know down below, and I'll be happy to talk about it or answer your questions. As I said, visit my hair channel and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already subscribed. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next one. I noticed that a lot of you guys love all the skincare reviews I've been doing so far on this channel. I've done really well, so let me know what skincare products you want me to review next time, and I'll be happy to do that for you guys. I also plan on purchasing some the Ordinary products. I'm going to repurchase my niacinamide because it's really good, but let me know if there's any specific products for combination skin that you want me to try out. And just before I go, for reference, my skin is combination skin, as I already mentioned on sometime in the video, just because a lot of people ask the same question on the previous skincare videos that I've done so far. So just letting you guys know. And on to my next video, guys. I love you guys, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.